Hello, my name is Anna Cook. I am the orchestra director at Shawnee Mission North High School and Hawker Grove Middle School in Overland Park, Kansas. This is my third year in the position, and before that, I came from Central Kansas at a tiny 1A school in Wilson, Kansas. I was the music director there for 2 years, and then I moved here, and I love it. I love my job. In addition to being a high school and middle school orchestra director, I am the orchestra high school chair for my district, and I am a working clinician in a lot of different districts besides my own. I coordinate lots of festivals. I organize a lot of our area programming, and it's a blast. It's a lot of work, but I love it. The kids always make that hard work worth it. So that is currently where I'm at. Influences in my life obviously are my parents. I hope that doesn't sound cheesy, but they are good people who work very, very hard, and I'm just very close to them and I admire them a lot. Uh, Besides my parents, it would be my orchestra directors. I never thought I wanted to be an orchestra teacher, and here I am. Rachel Dirks from Lawrence, Kansas was a huge influence of mine, as well as my director in college, Dr. Tim Shade. So big influences in my life and people that I strive to be. Um, let's see, personality test. I thought it was pretty accurate. I'm a pretty outgoing, extroverted person. I'm agreeable, I think. I am adaptable to a lot of different situations. I think I was answering a lot of these questions based on the fact that I am an orchestra teacher and I deal so much with emotional and different personalities in my classroom. So I think I rated pretty strongly on, um, yeah, I don't really agree with conscientiousness. I scored an 80 on that. And I think it's just because I don't put my laundry away very much. But I'm a pretty aware person. I feel like I have to be with an ensemble. So, but yeah, otherwise I thought it was pretty clear. Intellect and imagination, again, with music and critical interpretation, you have to be. Um, yeah, I thought they were very fair. When analyzing the different types of leaders, I was sort of fascinated because I feel like just in any teacher, you draw so many different teaching strategies, so many different situations require different disciplines. And so it was interesting to kind of read definitive definitions of leadership. So I really enjoyed that. Um, I immediately went to charismatic leadership because to be a good leader in an ensemble, you have to have some kind of charisma. But after reading about it, I did not fit the bill. So the two that I chose were authentic leadership and transformational leadership. I chose authentic leadership. It makes a lot of sense. I have a lot of emotional intelligence in my classroom. We have to have an extremely honest relationship. The kids know me. They have to know me in order to trust me fully, in order to make some pretty profound music together. So that has been, that really fit ethical foundation, openness, um, and I really focus on individual and team performance. So they are assessed on both, and we discuss both very much in a day-to-day in our classes. The second that I picked was transformational leadership. And I picked this because in my ensemble, you want to empower all of your kids. You want to promote leadership in your kids. And with 5 different sections, first, seconds, violas, cellos, basses, each one of those sections needs to have a student leader in order to promote growth and empowerment in that whole group. So you need to create an environment where the leaders are respected and where every kid can feel like they are a leader. So definitely the students have seen me make tough decisions on their behalf. They've seen me be adaptable. They've I'm definitely a humble teacher. I do not try to be perfect. Well, I try, but I don't try to tell them that I'm perfect. And they've seen me mess up, and we move on together, and it's a great relationship. So transformational leadership and authentic leadership are definitely the two that I selected. And I really enjoyed this first assignment. I learned a lot, and I'm excited for what's to come. Thank you.